Hello healthy foodie, welcome back to my channel, the best place for healthy nutrition tips and tricks and healthy recipes just like this one. If you are new here, consider subscribing to be a part of the family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this super yummy pasta dish. In a pot, add some water, vegetable oil and salt. Bring to a boil, and at boiling point add your pasta. Stir that in because you do not want your pasta to be sticky. And then I went in to add some tomatoes and bell peppers into a blender and blended that to form a puree. I also went on to prep my onions and other vegetables. In a pan, add some vegetable oil and your onions. Saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add your ginger and garlic paste. Saute that for an additional 1 minute to build flavor so that your pasta turns out tasting super yummy. And then I went in with the tomato puree. Allow that to cook until the water was dry. So at this point where the water was almost dry, I added my tomato paste just to thicken it a little bit. Please note, as a tip, pasta is a refined carbohydrate, it's a processed carbohydrate, and so always ensure that your pasta meals are loaded with lots and lots of vegetables. We are all about the healthiness, right? I went on to season with some thyme, some curry powder and some seasoning cubes and salt. Stir that in to combine. Please be mindful of your gas. At this point my pasta was burning, so try to avoid that when you're making yours. I went in with my vegetables, carrots and green bell pepper cut in strip. Please make sure for spaghetti or noodle dishes you want to cut your vegetables as strips or julienne, so that when your fork goes into the plate, it is easier for you to roll it and enjoy the goodness. I also went in with some spring onions cut also as strip. Mix that to combine. At this point my pasta is ready, and I am just going to be transferring the pasta into the saucepan directly. Notice that I did not add water to my sauce, so transferring the pasta directly from the pot would allow the pasta water to drip into the sauce so that the sauce can easily combine and hold onto the pasta. This is what you want, sis, so that all the juiciness and gorgeousness binds together with your pasta, giving you that tasty pasta as you can see in this video. At this point my camera was not doing justice to the beauty of this pasta, but we'll manage it like that. It tasted super delicious. I got so much compliments on this dish. And since after all the mixing, voila, look at how yummy our pasta dish looks. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. We also share healthy tips and tricks. You do not want to miss that coming up next in the next video. Like and share this video to your friends and loved ones, and do not forget to nourish, flourish and a glow. Bye.